In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams installation errors. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the first method, which is to clean previous installations. Sometimes, leftover files from a previous Teams installation can create conflicts that hinder the new installation. To start, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Type in appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This action will take you to the list of installed programs on your computer. Look for Microsoft Teams in that list, right-click on it, and select the Uninstall option. Next, we need to make sure there are no residual files left behind. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows and E together. Navigate to the following path. See Users Your Username, App Data, Local Microsoft Teams. Here, you'll want to delete the entire Teams folder to ensure that no previous files remain. Now let's clean up the registry as well. Open the registry editor by typing regedit in the Run dialog. Navigate to HKey Current User Software Microsoft Office Teams and delete the Teams registry folder. Once that's complete, restart your computer and try installing Teams again. If you're still having trouble, our second method is to run the installer as an administrator. Sometimes, a lack of permissions can prevent a successful installation. Go to the folder where you downloaded the Teams setup file. Right-click on the file. This might be something like Teams Windows Score x64.exe, and select the option to run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Our third method involves temporarily disabling any third-party antivirus software. Occasionally, antivirus programs may mistakenly block the installer, treating it as a threat. To do this, locate your antivirus icon in the taskbar, right-click it, and choose the option to pause protection or disable temporarily. After that, try to install Microsoft Teams once more. Once the installation is complete, don't forget to re-enable your antivirus protection to keep your system secure. The fourth method is performing a clean boot. This approach helps prevent any background programs from interfering with the installation. To do this, press the Windows key and R together, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Services tab. Check the box for Hide All Microsoft Services, then click on Disable All. Next, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S key. Go to the Startup tab and disable all non-essential programs. Restart your computer and run the Teams installer again. Finally, if the standard installer continues to fail, you can try using the MSIX version of Microsoft Teams. This version is designed specifically for modern Windows systems. Begin by downloading the MSIX package from the official Microsoft page. After that, head to your settings, select System, then click on For Developers and turn on Developer Mode. Now double-click the downloaded MSIX file and follow the prompts to install Teams. By following these methods, you should be able to resolve the installation errors and get Microsoft Teams up and running successfully. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your installation.